Alright y'all, we back with part 2 today on the crank pulley removal, and hopefully we'll be doing the timing cover removal too while we're here. Alright, and today is brought to you by OEMTOOLS. We actually have the GM Harmonic balancer puller. It's actually part number 25264. I bought mine from Amazon. You can get it from almost anywhere. It has a limited lifetime warranty, so I'm pretty sure you can exchange just almost anywhere, but hopefully I don't have to because everyone talks about it. They have knockoff versions from China that have an aluminum bolt but like only last a couple of points. Like they say, it hits a few times and it works, and then after a while it was stripped. So this one's the better one because it's not made out of aluminum. Hopefully it's not. We're gonna open it up because I never got a chance to open it up myself and see what we're working with. We'll end up starting off like we did last time and probably having put a bolt down in the center to help us out here, but we'll see. We'll see what it does. It should do it though. They say it's specific for this job and it should just work. So let's see what it does. You're supposed to, it actually goes into here and it's supposed to lock. Nope. Is it? Oh, hold on, may not have it screwed out enough. Let's see. As you see, you screw this out from the moment you get it. Once you screw it out, you should be able to go in there, lock. Oh, it works. So far, it works very well. Alright, once you got it tightened down, give me a sec, we'll grab the impact. Alright, and we have a 24 on there today. So oh, it worked! Holy shit, you guys, that was awesome. You see me struggle on that last video trying to get this bitch off, and we have it off. I don't give a fuck about this. Hopefully we can upgrade and go to something different, or maybe put a new one on there because I've heard of issues with these starting to get serious vibration. As you can see, it's corroded on the inside and things of that sort, so a new one, freshly balanced, would probably be awesome with the new setup. But now that that's off, now we can get to better things. It works great, works amazing. Doesn't look like we stripped nothing, and none of these bent. So on the knockoff versions from China, these little pieces that go into the actual crank, the way it works, it goes in there and it locks against the back of it, help pulling it forward, as you can see. And what happens is they'll bend as they're locking in there. So we didn't have that issue. It came off great. That's one part off. We'll come back to that. Now we'll start trying to zip this timing cover off. We'll get that off, hopefully free. I got some oil dry towels and a pillowcase down here at the bottom in case it starts to get a little bit messy because there's any leftover residue in there. You never know, because just because I drained all of it out and everything and it's bare black right now does not mean it's not nothing in there. So we'll see what we got in here. I'm pretty sure I got a little tin and we'll run it out. Let's see. And like I said, it's a 10 for all the timing cover bolts. So they're super easy to access, so you shouldn't have no easy getting to them. You don't have to use the impact, you can do this how you please. Oh, this came off super easy. I wonder if, like, yeah, it barely had a gasket on there. Let's see. Does it have a gasket on it? You never know. Let's not drop this because we might have to reuse this. Might paint it some nice color, have it look nice before it goes back together. Oh, no oil on there. Yeah, no. I don't think there was a gasket on. I think they just used RTV. Yeah, just some RTV. Okay. Oh, she was, looks like that chain was a little loose. I don't think it's supposed to be that loose, you guys. Alright, so, got in there. We found out some good news and some quite little disturbing news. We'll just screw these back in there just to kind of hold them until I get like a pan to put these in. I got a little bin I'm gonna put them all in, so when you see me pause this and come back, you end up seeing these all disappear, but we'll end up breaking off the rest of this timing ordeal. Goal is to get a lot of this out. Might pull the cam out, set the cam to the side, get it on the bare block. Hopefully we'll see if we'll do that all down today. No, we're not going to do it all today because I still got to go get a paint marker so we can number all the pistons. We'll clean up each piston and we'll end up numbering them all. That way, when I pull them out, same way they came out, they'll go back in. And if they don't, well, if they don't end up getting numbered and put back in, what'll happen is we'll end up getting a really nice set of pistons and rods. But right now, your boy doesn't have no money, so this junkyard block may go exactly back together the exact way it is. Hopefully, it makes somewhat close to factory power with a new set of rings. That's going to be the goal, because I know this motor has like 1,000,000 miles on it. As you could tell from, it looks like it never had an oil change a day in its life. I don't know if you guys can see how burnt that is, but holy shit. Alright, so let's see. Oh my god, sludge galore. You know what? We may not even have to do all this. That's what we're gonna do. We don't gotta do all that. I work hard to get back to you, right? Oh shit. Let's see. I think I hear my dad in the background. He might have just got back. Alright, so let's see. Alright. That's the oil pump. We're gonna set that to the side. We may get an upgraded oil pump, so I don't think this matters. Set it down there off to the side. Remember, I'll set that over there. If y'all have to, when I'm putting this motor back together and I don't buy an oil pump, remind me that it's down there, okay?
You on the phone right now, B?
No.
No?
No, I'm recording a video for the LS breakdown.
Oh, okay. Yes, how about you?
What? Where are you going? What's up? What are you doing? Dad's here. You don't want to come say hi to the camera?
Sure. Where's the camera?
It's right here.
Good afternoon, people. How are you? Just saying hello.
Hey, so we got the timing cover off, got the crank pulley off too. That new tool worked.
Oh, it worked excellent, huh?
Yeah, it came out first try.
No problem. Just
no problem. Yeah, because look, the way it works, it like, so say this is the crank pulley right here. It goes all the way in and locks into it, and then it pushes up against the shim to like.
Hey, it ain't nothing like having the correct tool for the correct job.
Does the job, and that's all that fucking matters. And look how loose the timing chain was. I'm glad I just didn't throw this back together because that would have broke.
It got some good play in it.
Yeah, a lot of play. I could almost like, I wonder if I could pull this off. Alright, so as you can see, with everything off, like I said, those bolts are going to come back out. I put them all inside the crank pulley remover box because we're going to put the crank pulley back in there so we remember that these all go to the timing cover, right? And then we got our oil pump bolts that are off to the side, which they can stay off to the side for a minute because I don't really want those out and about right now. So got the timing cover over here off to the side too. Another thing that we're going to do while we're here, we're going to go ahead and remove the cam gear so we can free up this timing chain. And we'll end up putting these back inside the cam until we get a new cam gear. Or until we clean this cam gear up. Because I know this is a wearing part because it is on a timing chain, so it eventually all wears down. That's just life and how it goes. And so, yep. That comes off just like that. So you know, when you're breaking down yours, you can just pull it straight off and the timing chain will come off. We'll get a new, hopefully we can upgrade to a double roller chain. That'd be dope. That's the goal. I would love to see a double roller timing chain on this thing. It'd probably be sweet and last almost a lifetime. That's the goal. I want to last the motor. And go ahead, we'll keep going. And while we're at this, you know what? Will I have enough room to put those back on? Let's see. Nope, we won't have enough room to put those back on yet. So we're gonna pull everything else back off, and then we'll put those back in. So cam cover. 4 bolts, all 10 mils. So don't let no one tell you can't break down the website in your home because it's all 10 mils for sure. Shit's simple, honestly. We'll set that to the side. We'll make sure, remember those all go together again. Alright, so what we're gonna do, remember our 3 bolts we had in there? We're gonna try and pull it from there. See if we can get that to snatch out. Hilarious, because with these you just kind of gotta finagle it out and keep turning it back and forth. Same way you put them in. Honestly, it's kind of scary the fact that you gotta do that with these cams, but it's an LS cam. I don't know. It's just how they work. V8 stuff. Yep. And you just keep rotating it until you feel it free up. Go nice and easy so you're not scoring the shit out the cam. Okay? Nice and easy. You'll feel it when you're rotating it. It'll feel like it's starting to free up. There you go. Go easy. Don't be an asshole, man. These lobes aren't fucking the strongest, so just be nice to them. Like I said, finger it out. Just keep spinning her. You're gonna feel it catch on some of the lobes, and once you're free, you're free. Hey, Dad! Hey, Dad!
Yeah.
You want a cam?
Well, I understand the way that timing chain looked, that cam can't be much better.
No, it looked great. Come look.
Miles came right along with it.
I pulled it out by hand.
My cam probably still good.
Yeah, I'm trying to tell you that.
Well, we gonna save it. How about that?
That's what I'm saying. I got mine. I'm setting mine in the corner. Make sure you set this somewhere where it doesn't get scored. I'm going to wrap mine in a bag, so. Alright, so we got that all out. We're going to probably get new cam bearings for this, just because. Well, I don't know, maybe not, because they look fucking great, honestly. They do look great. So, let's see. We'll try and keep everything nice, keep it looking good. Cam cover we got right here. I'm gonna get bags and start putting certain parts up. You guys, build a LS. Do it. It's fun. This is great stuff to do on the weekend. This all was filmed in one go. I didn't edit nothing out. I wanted you guys to be wholesome with this. So next time we come in on this episode, we'll end up pulling the crank out, and along with the pistons and rods. We'll number them all one by one facing to the front, because I think we might end up rerunning this setup, because I don't think the motor was severely hurt. I think it ended up popping, what do you call that? I think it popped a coolant plug on the side of the block. I think that was the issue, and they thought it overheated. Even if it did or didn't, we're going to send it out to the shop. We'll end up getting it decked probably, just in case it is warped. We'll have them double check to make sure it's not warped. But if I can get all the tools to check all this stuff myself to make sure, we'll go from there. But that's the goal. I just want it to be nice. I want it to be nice. I want it to last, be factory almost. We'll make it run. It'll be awesome. B&B Street Dreams. Follow me if you can. Instagram at Boosted Living, or BNB, like BNB Street Dreams on Instagram. You can follow me wherever you want to. You ever need some advice, let me know. There's that gasket we were talking about, but it seemed like a pretty good gasket. It didn't seem like it blew on the gasket half. Like, a lot of this stuff was factory parts. I don't think it ever had any of this stuff pulled off, so we were first to do it. I'm glad you guys learned with me. Great learning experience. You helped me finger a cam out. I guess, no, we didn't finger cam. We fingered a cam out, okay? Look, listen. Alright, so subscribe, y'all. We'll have a lot more going on in here. LS is coming along well. I'm glad you guys are a part of this.